Hey everyone, and welcome. If you're looking to get started with programming, one of the best places to begin is with Java, and today we're going to tackle the very first, most essential step, installing something called the Java Development Kit, or JDK. This is the toolkit you absolutely need, so let's jump right in. Seriously, this is a big moment. But the best part? It's actually really simple. Even if you've never installed development software before, don't worry, we're going to walk through it together, step by step. And by the end of this, you'll be all set to start coding.
So, before we can write a single line of Java code, what do we actually need? It all comes down to one essential tool, the JDK.
The JDK, or Java Development Kit, has everything we need all in one neat package. It has the tools to turn our code into something the computer can understand, and it has the engine to actually run our programs. Think of it like a complete workshop for building anything you can imagine with Java.
All right, let's go get our hands on this toolkit. Now this part is super important. We have to download it directly from the official source. This is all about making sure that we get a safe, clean copy of the software.
So just pop open your web browser and type in download Java JDK official. And yeah, that word official is key. It's going to help you slice right through all the junk and land you on the one safe, secure website we need, avoiding any sketchy third-party sites. You should land on a page that looks something like this. This is the official one from Oracle. Perfect. Now, you'll probably see a bunch of different options here, which, of course, brings up a really good question.
You're probably looking at all these different version numbers and thinking, whoa, okay, which one do I pick? It can definitely look a little confusing at first. Here's the secret. Always look for the letters LTS. That stands for long-term support. Basically, it's the super stable, super reliable version that's guaranteed to be supported with updates for years. It's the industry standard, and it's the perfect one for us to learn on.
So on that download page, just find the tab for the latest version that has LTS right next to it. That's our target. Go ahead and select that one.
Okay, next up, you got to pick your operating system. For most of us, that's going to be Windows. Then, from that list of files, look for the one that says x64 installer. That's the one we want. Click on it, and the download will begin.
And there it goes. You should see the file downloading in your browser. Just give it a moment to finish, and once it's done, find it in your Downloads folder and open it up to get this thing started.
Okay, we've got the file, now for the installation itself. And I've got great news for you. This part is ridiculously easy.
Seriously, the whole process is basically just a few clicks. We're going to open the file, click Next, trust all the default settings, don't change a thing, and then hit Install. That's it. The computer does all the hard work.
So when this first window pops up, you might be tempted to mess with the settings. Don't. The defaults are exactly what we need for a standard install. Just hit that Next button to continue.
And here we go. The installer is now doing its thing, copying all the important files onto your system. This might take a minute or two, so this is a good time to just sit back and let it work its magic.
And done! Once you see this installation complete screen, that's it. Java is officially installed on your machine. You can go ahead and hit that close button.
So, the installer said everything went great, but how do we really know it worked? Let's do one final quick check to be absolutely 100% sure. Right? We need a way to actually ask our computer, hey, is Java there? Can you see it? And lucky for us, there's a super simple command that does exactly that. To do this, we're going to use a little tool called the command prompt. Just go to your Start menu and type in CMD. You should see the command prompt app pop right up. Go ahead and open it.
Okay, inside this black window, you're going to type a very simple command. It's just Java, then a space, then a little dash, and the word version. So that's Java-version. Once you've typed it, just press Enter.
And if you see something like this pop up with all the details about the Java version you just installed, then yes, that's it. That is our proof. Congratulations, you did it. Your installation was a total success. So, now what? Well, with the JDK installed and verified, you literally have the complete toolkit of a Java developer sitting right there on your computer. You are officially ready to start writing some code. And hey, a quick word about that black command prompt window. If that felt a little weird or intimidating, please don't worry about it. It's a really powerful tool, and we'll get used to it later on. For today, all we needed it for was that one little check.
Because what's next is the fun part. In our next explainer, we're going to use this brand new installation to write our very first program, the classic Hello World. You've just taken the biggest, most important first step on your programming journey. The real adventure is just getting started. So, what are you going to build first?